I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. And today I just wanted to talk about why I big chopped my hair. If you guys didn't see that video, it's going to be right up here in one of these corners on the card so that you guys can see me chop all of my hair off. I actually went ahead and chopped it a little bit more because some pieces were long, especially like in this top portion. And then I was just playing around with my hair this morning, just seeing like what type of look I would like as far as like styling. And I really do like this one. I'm trying to learn how to do finger waves, so I'll probably do a video on that. But the reason why I big chopped my hair was because my hair was perfectly fine at the beginning of the year. Like it was big, it was healthy. And then like March, April, I decided to bleach it. And I was being a big dummy. I was a big dummy. And I did like a whole process in my hair. Like I bleached it one time and then I bleached it again. And you're not supposed to do like a double process on your hair because that can really damage your hair, especially natural curly hair. So I lost basically the elasticity of my curls. You know, my curls were like very, very dry and brittle, and I didn't like that. I mean, I chopped a little bit off, like literally a little bit off, and you know, did the whole deep conditioning, everything like that. My curls were coming back, but then I got tired of the blonde because my hair was unhealthy. So I was like, let me see if I go back to a natural color, then maybe my hair can flourish better. But that was dumb too. I went on ahead and bought a semi-permanent hair color. It was a brown, and then what happened was a couple washes in, the color would like fade away. So if you guys seen in my previous video, you've seen that my hair was like a lightish type brown in my hair. Even when I cut it, I had seen like some blonde streaks trying to sneak its way back into my hair because it was semi-permanent, meaning that the color is bound to like fade away naturally. But I didn't like the color, I didn't like the condition of my hair. Yes, my hair was curly, but my curls weren't like as curly as they used to be. Like my curls used to like look really, really good. I cut my hair for the first time in 2018, like not this short, but I did cut my hair, and I was scared when I cut my hair that short, but it wasn't as bad because I was still able to wear my hair in a fro and everything. And then my hair was just flourishing, and it grew in like 6 to 8 months, and after that my hair just kept growing and growing and getting stronger, you know, with the proper deep conditioning and just taking care of it and stuff. And I had color in my hair at the time, but I got it done professionally by one of my educators at school because I did go to cosmetology school in 2018. And then last year I was a big dummy, and well, not last year, this year I was a big dummy and messed up all of my hair. So I was like, I'm gonna just cut it all off and then start from the very beginning, like, you know, from the basics, from what I've known from my previous journey. Like it wasn't a big chop journey. The first one was like a mini chop, but this one's like a big chop. I cried and everything because I don't really know what to do with this length hair. There's not much to do with it, but I am excited to see how much my hair can grow and how my curls will turn out this time, being that I cut off majority all of the damage that I had, because I had my new growth, which was like my darkest hair, and then the light brown was like that blonde that was left over, that terrible damaged hair. So I am excited. I do like this look. I didn't think or expect it to look as good as it does now. And that's basically the reason why I big chopped my hair. I had a couple people in my DMs ask me, and also in the comment section below my previous video. But I do love this like a lot. So if you guys would like to see a video of me styling it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any tips that you may have if you have gone through like a big chop journey. You know, I'm open to any tips or advice that you've taken, you know, to grow your hair out, because like I said, I don't really know much about hair this length. So let me know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And until next time.